Friends, in this video I'm going to teach you what is the right way to rename the connections. Okay, I'm starting with my starter project. Okay, I want to rename this IB action name to login action. Initially it names login button action. I want to rename it. Okay, I'm running this project. Okay, when click on this button, this program is crashed. See the reason why it crashed. Okay, it is not a right way to rename the connections. Okay, I'm going to tell you what is the right way to rename the connections. Command Z. Okay, right click, go to refactor and rename it here. Login action. Okay, it should reflect in main.storyboard also. Okay, rename it. Now run the program. See, it's working fine now. Okay, you can use same way for IB outlets also. Okay, right click, go to refactor and rename it here. Okay, rename it. Okay, this is the right name for rename the connections. Thank you, hope you learn.